Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Everything. Today we are going to learn daily vocab. Let's start the video. Introduction. First we are going to learn word and its meaning and in Hindi also. Synonym then, antonym, explanation and example. Now our first word is determination. Determination is a noun. Determination means the process of establishing something. In Hindi, दृढ़ निश्चय. Synonyms are assurance, boldness, bravery, and conviction. Antonym cowardice, diffidence, fear, idleness. Its example is everyone concerned acted with great courage and determination. Now, the second word, encourage. Encourage is verb. Encourage means give support, confidence or hope to someone. In Hindi, प्रोत्साहित करना. Synonyms are embolden, inspire, reassure, restore. Antonyms are discourage, dishearten, dissuade. This is the new word dissuade we have to learn. Dissuade and hurt. Example, the intention is to encourage a new writing talent. Now the third word, pretending. Pretending is a verb, means at a particular time. In Hindi, sambandhit. Synonyms are concern, connected, referring, related. Antonyms, ignore, disregard, slight. Example, the law pertaining to immigration. Now, our fourth word is purported. Purported is adjective. Its meaning is appearing or stated to be true, though not necessarily so. In Hindi, कथित तरीके से कथित. Synonyms, so-called, stated, supposed. Averred. Averred is a new word. Antonyms, certain, definite, and sure. Example, he forged document which purported to show that his company had vast resources. Now, fifth word, suspected. Suspected is verb. Suspected means truth of something without certain proof. In Hindi, sandigd. Synonyms are alleged, guessed, preassumed, and assumed. Antonym, innocent, known, trusted, and trustworthy. Example, he is suspected in 4 burglaries. This is the end of the video. Thank you for everyone for watching this video.